Alright, I'm out here at Renfroe Tower Road number 1 in Jonesview, Alabama. Keeping your eye out for any trains. I don't think there's any coming though, but first, we got a few changes here. First off, the Federal Signal light on the mast here, that one's Martin Industries. This guy was Federal Signal. He has been replaced with a Safetran 12x24 inch light with a Leotech EV series LED. You can see right there he's got where the LED is. And now we got the Safetran light there. But it looks like all the overhead lights, which are a mixture of Federal Signal and Martin's 12x24 LEDs, and the 2 Federal Signal rear lights are still here. However, that's not the only change. I mean, that gate arm looks like it needs a bit of work. But the bell on this signal is now an NEG electronic bell, replaced an old Safetran mechanical bell, which is a bit unfortunate, but also this signal's also had its mechanical bell replaced, which I guess I can't say I'm too surprised at, because I want to say last time I was out here and I recorded this crossing like back in 2017, both Safetran mechanical bells here were starting to sound a bit rough, I want to say, so I won't be surprised if they've just died. If they just died and Soci-6 replaced them. So you're going up there, you can see that guy's an NEG electronic bell on this signal, and then I can zoom in a bit more. It's right there, NEG. You know, I'm willing to bet originally there was a pair of Martin Industries 8-inch lights right here where these Safetran 12x24s are. Or at least Martin Industries 12x24 inch lights. And those will have been, those are the original lights. Not sure where the Federal Signal lights on that cantilever came from. I also wonder if they were reused from another crossing. But anyways, this is just a quick update here at Renfroe Tower Road number 1 in Jonesview, Alabama. Over and out.